Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting essentials out of the way so you can pair quickly. Plug a known good USB cable into the phone, or activate wireless Android Auto in phone settings if your Creta supports it. Once done, turn the Creta to ACC, open the car's Bluetooth and infotainment pairing menu, and select your phone. Make sure you accept phone prompts for phonebook and media. This initial pairing establishes the link that Google Maps will rely on to appear on the Creta screen. Once paired, choose Android Auto or CarPlay on the Creta's head unit. This routes apps to the car display. You then grant Google Maps location and microphone permissions on your phone so voice guidance and live navigation work. Next, pick Maps as the active navigation app inside Android Auto, and confirm audio routing so turn-by-turn instructions play through car speakers. Make sure Maps traffic and location services are turned on for real-time reroutes. You finish by running a short test route to confirm directions, lane guidance, and audio volume are correct. Save frequent destinations like home and work, and download offline areas if you expect poor signal. If something goes wrong, Maps not appearing or audio missing, restart the phone and infotainment, check that Google Maps and Android Auto permissions are allowed, and clear the Android Auto cache. This one troubleshooting tip resolves most connection glitches and gets you back to reliable navigation quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.